Beloved, if God has said it, it is settled. Joel 2:25 says, "And I will restore to you the years that the locust had eaten, the cankerworm, the caterpillar, and the palmerworm, my great army which I sent among you." It is a season of restoration. People of God, position yourself for His purpose and walk out His instructions now. God says it will rain. Your response is to align, letting go of sins that entangle us, the works of the flesh, offenses, a wild mouth, and unforgiveness. And have your barrels out. We don't wait to see, we move and we see. If you believe God, I dare you to align yourself for your harvest. I thank God for you today. I see God turning things around for your good. We thank God for the new season, a season of jubilee, a season of harvest, and a season of restoration. Thank you, Jesus, for rest all around and rest in every side. Blessed be God who causes us to triumph and does wonders without number.